Pergo knows how life goes. It can be blissful. We have the freedom to choose, whether it's the music we listen to, the people we spend time with, or what we wear. Yeah, even those embarrassing socks. It can be unpredictable and a little messy. Spills, falls, breaks. We've been there. Mistakes happen. Life happens. And Pergo's here to make them happy accidents with floors that can handle anything. That's why we're all about durability, reliability, and design in the world of flooring. For over 40 years, Pergo has outfitted bustling kitchens, messy mudrooms, comfy sunrooms, and living rooms made for hosting. We provide the perfect flooring based on your needs, budget, and your overall aesthetic. It's time to choose laminate and vinyl floors that help create beautiful, custom spaces for a life filled with fun, family, friends, and fur balls. And just a pinch of the unpredictable to make things interesting. So bring it on, because Pergo knows that life goes on it.